Alright, you're welcome. So we're looking at how you can give admin access to your page to another profile account, that is Facebook profile account. Let's assume for instance, or let's take for instance, you want to give access to possibly a social media manager, or you want to give access to an account manager or a media buyer to run a campaign for you, make use of your page. All right, how do you give access to them? So this is what we want to discuss here. Okay, so first of all, you have to send a friend request to the account that you want to give access to. So you can search for the account here, search for the by the name. All right, then add the fellow as a friend. Okay, when that is done, then you now switch to the page. Switch to the page. I'm using the Systech page. You switch the page, then you go to professional dashboard, then you go to page access. All right, click on page access. So you have two options here basically. People with Facebook access. Okay, that is, you can actually give somebody full control over the page. The person can uh, give permissions on the page. The person can create content, make messages and calls, community activities, ads and insights. At the same time, the person can even delete the page if that's the kind of permission that this entails. So that's the first one here. The second one is people with task access. All right, you want to give them access to a specific task, like you want them to be able to maybe create contents, respond to messages, run ads. You can decide that. All right, okay. Well, I've observed in few times that sometimes when you give people with tax access, if you give this second option, sometimes your page may not be visible. All right, it's like quickly visible, yeah, on the page, on the person's accounts. All right, many times I've observed that, not all the time anyway. All right, but if you use this first one, of course it will be very visible. It's certain it's going to be visible. All right, so but I'm going with the first one actually, but you can go with the second one depending on the kind of tax you want to give the person. All right, so you click on next, then you search for the person's name. Okay, let's assume I want to give, let me just search for random Facebook user. All right, that is actually a friend. So then you enter your password. Okay, all right, so this is a success. After entering your password, so they're going to send a notification to this individual. All right, that I am trying to give uh, access to my page. So why this person just check his notification, click on the notification, and then accept the invite. That is all. Thank you.